Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to mark as final in Excel. If you do not want others to do any edit or changes in your workbook, and in the meanwhile you do not want to protect the workbook, how can you do it? Now I will introduce an easy method for you to solve this problem in Excel. Mark as final will let the readers know this is the final file and make the file read-only. In the workbook that you want to mark as final, click File tab, click Info, and click the Protect Workbook drop-down list and select Mark as Final. In the popped out Microsoft Excel dialog, click the OK button, and in the popped up Microsoft Excel dialog, again click the OK button, and now the workbook is marked as final and made as read-only, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.